Hey guys, so I'm back. So I just want to show y'all my warehouse while I'm in here. So this is the front door. And then as you come in, you have a window right there. A little high ceilings, not that high, but it's okay. I moved some stuff in here, so nothing is straightened up. Is a mess, but I can't wait till it all come together. I just put a table over there to put my computer and stuff on until my desk come. As you go back here, that door right there is have like the furnace and stuff in there. I love the brick because I can get some good content with the brick. Here's the other side. I brought my boxes. I have some orders. These are the pre-Black Friday sale orders. So that's the last of them. So now I'm pretty much caught up. All I have to do is my Pink Friday orders throughout the weekend, all the way up until today, which is Cyber Monday. I sent out my email this morning. I done made over $1,200 already, and it's only like 10 o'clock in the morning. So hopefully today goes fine, but once I'm sold out, I'm sold out. I'm gonna get the orders out, and I'm not gonna restock my website till probably a week or two. So yeah, this is a mess right now, but I have to order my shelves so I can stock everything. It could be all neat. Here's the front more. Nice big window. I love sunlight. That was my main thing. Like I had to have a window. Most warehouses you don't have a window, so I needed that window. I need my sunlight. So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna stand at the end so y'all can pretty much see, like, it's not super big, but it's just for me. And if I hire probably like 2 people, I don't know yet. I'm very big on like let me see, like, what's people motive? So if I hire somebody, I don't think, 9 times out of 10, like, I don't want to know them, but I did want to just keep it in the family. So if my sons don't be lazy, I probably, hire them, add them to the payroll. But yeah, this is my warehouse. So this is where everything is about to go down. I need to go to Home Depot to get some pink paint. So I'll probably take y'all with me to Home Depot. And then I probably end the vlog there. And then my next vlog would be, me painting, me, organizing everything to try to catch up on some content. So yeah, see y'all later. Hey y'all. So I'm here at the warehouse, of course. About to cut these labels out. I got a lot more, but yeah, this usually my mother job. But I need these right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut them out. And I just want to chit chat with y'all, just basically about like getting up your own way. Like, it's easier said than done. Don't get me wrong, but you gotta know when enough is enough. Like, you see a certain lifestyle for yourself, go for it. Like, God, honest truth, the only person that can stop you from accomplishing your goals is you. Let me say that again. The only person that can stop you from accomplishing your goals is you. Like, y'all really be in y'all own way. Like, until you get that mindset to shift that, you're gonna stay that way. That's why the rich get rich, the poor stay poor, because of their mindset. You have to know that you can have whatever you want. Like me, I know this not it for me. Like, and I hope I can look back on this video and be like, you knew it, you spoke it into existence, you here now. But I know this not it. Like, I know it's not. Now, prior to me shifting my mindset, yeah, a long time ago, I'm gonna say like, I had my business for 3 years. I've been an entrepreneur since 2013. I've been an entrepreneur, so I've been an entrepreneur for a while. So this is not nothing new to me. To those who don't know me, I had my own daycare. At first, I was a licensed daycare provider. So yeah, I've been on a long entrepreneurship journey. I think I was 21. Yeah, I think I was 21 or 22. One of them. But now I'm 32, so that was 10 years ago. So anyway, yeah, you gotta really like get out your own way. Like I was saying before, I didn't always have this mindset. I didn't. I used to think like, oh yeah, I'm gonna stay this way. I ain't gonna never have enough money to go do this, go do that. Drive a car. Well, I always had luxury cars. Like I got a fetish with cars. So like my first car that I purchased myself was a Mercedes Benz. So I can't say that, but I basically I would get like the whatever Mercedes. I didn't think I could get like what I have now, like a 2021 straight off the lot. No matter, like I didn't used to think that. I used to think that I had to get like a used Mercedes. So let me say that I didn't think I could just drive off the lot, you know, like that. Like my credit score, I had bought my house when I was 21. So that's when I first knew about like your credit is what you need. Like you need a good credit score, a good credit report. So back then, but then after I bought my house, I had my car. So I'm like, I don't care about this credit. Like I would have all, I think I had like 10 credit cards. Like this one I used to go to like American Eagle, Gap for my kids. Like, I had all the credit cards. Like my credit was good, so they was approving me for credit cards. And then once you go in that store and know you don't have to use your money and just use them credit cards, it get addictive. So that's what I was doing. And then I was just maxing them out and I really didn't give a fuck. But then it caught up with me because it was time to, you know, either pay or it was showing that I had a late payment. Anyway, it messed my credit up. Long story short, I thought that was it for me. I thought like, dang, now my credit messed up, you know, what am I gonna do? It's gonna be like this forever. I ain't gonna never be able to get out of debt, blah, blah, blah. Fast forward now, 10 points away from an 800 credit score. Of course, money in the bank, money coming in daily, own warehouse, 2 houses. Like everything that I thought was over for me, what, 5 to 6 years ago, now it's like starting a whole new life. Like, and no, like I ain't use no CPN, none of that. I just cleaned my credit up. I repaired my credit myself. I took a class and she showed me what to do and I cleaned my credit myself. So that's how I was able to, you know, bring my credit score up, pay down anything I had to pay. And you have to learn how to read your credit report. Like the score really don't mean nothing. You have to know like what negative items that need to be removed, you know, what's good debt. Like you have to know like the details of it to, you know, repay your credit. Well, anyway, that's done. So basically all my bills are on auto pay and like, I'm just happy, like, and as I can say, you always hear people with money say this, but it really is the God honest truth. Money don't mean everything and money don't make you happy. I crave for things like peace, you know, wisdom, stuff like that, strength. Like I ask God daily for them things, dealing, especially these days of time. Like, yes, I need money to pay my bills and to eat and feed my kids and all that. But at the end of the day, when you get it, you gonna understand you ain't gonna want nothing better than your peace, your happiness, and your strength. Like, you really not. But you're not gonna understand until you get it. Also, I'm very, very grateful. Like, I have so much gratitude in me. Like, it's not even funny. Like, I appreciate these blessings so much, and I don't want God to think like I don't, because I really, really do. I'm glad for my hard times and my struggle also, because that's why I appreciate it so much more today. Like, y'all gotta understand, y'all gotta go through them things. Like, they can't pay your light bill, can't pay your car payment, can't pay your rent or your mortgage or whatever. Y'all gotta understand, it's a reason you going through that. Like, the heartbreaks, the relationships, it's a reason you're going through that. It teaches you things. Like, it builds your character, your strength, your personality overall. It changes your mindset. It just is a reason. So if I had to do it all again, life all over again, I really would, the same way, the same exact way, because I am who I am today because everything that I went through. So you gotta understand, it really starts with your mindset. And I have an ebook on it. That's on my website. I'm gonna put the link down below. Like, go grab that ebook and change your mindset today, because all you hear is people say, I'm scared to do this because what if people don't support me? What if they do? Do y'all ever think of that? Like, what if they do? Or what if I come out with this product and it sell out? Can y'all just change, like, shift the narrative? Like, what if it do? Y'all be so caught up on what if it don't. Like, you have to think, what if it do? I don't even put what if it don't in my thoughts no more. But if it don't, then, oh, wow, I tried. Y'all don't even give it a chance. Or y'all think, I think it's because of social media also. People tend to compare themselves, and I'm not gonna lie, I did the same thing. You see somebody else's success take off, and you feel as though you're supposed to do the same thing. I like to say, you compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10. You can't do that. You can't. Like, it took me from going through, mind you, I was working a regular job at a hospital for 7.5 years. I did my daycare for, I believe, 7 years. Became a lash tech. That took off, but I couldn't take that serious. I love teaching lashes, but I don't like doing lashes. So I actually started up teaching lashes again. So I'll also leave a link for that in my down in the description if you're in Baltimore, or if you want to travel to Baltimore, you can too. But I did that for 2 years, and then I started my hair care line, which is now 3 years. So I had to go through all that to get my breakthrough, you know, of making, like, seeing real money, knowing that real money is coming in. Like, in 2021 was the most money I ever made in 1 year. Like, I used to make $25,000 a year. So now as an entrepreneur, looking back at that, like, what was I doing? Why didn't I start my entrepreneurship earlier? Like, to know that took so much of my time. Working 360, well, I didn't really work 365 days because I had days off. But a whole year to make $25,000. Something that you can literally do in a day or two, having your own business. Like, there's no cap when making money when you have your own business. When you work a job, there's only a certain amount that they could pay you, whether you work overtime or not. It's only a certain amount. When you're an entrepreneur, there's no cap. There's no cap. You can make how much money you want to. Of course, you have to put in that work, but you can make how much money you want to. Like, I don't know. It's just my mindset is just so different now. But, like, I'm so humble with it. Like, I don't brag or anything like that. But at the same time, you gotta understand, you gotta be on that person level. Like, I follow people. Of course, I follow friends and family, but I really follow people who, like, on the same level as me or even higher. Cause, like, that when they post stuff like buying a house, buying a new car, buying stocks or anything, that stuff motivates me. I will never be like, oh, here she go again posting another bag, or here she go again posting about another investment property. No, I'm gonna learn from her. I'm gonna see them steps, see what she's doing. I'm gonna be like, I'm not gonna copy nobody, but I'm gonna be getting that mindset of like, yeah, she doing the damn thing. Like, let me see what I can learn from her. It's never gonna be envious with me, never, because just like that person got 24 hours, you do too. So yeah, I just wanted to, like, give a pep talk to y'all about that, because I mean, one day you gotta wake up and just be like, this it. Make that just tomorrow. If you're watching this video right now, or start today. What you need, a website to order your products from? Go to Alibaba.com, AliExpress.com. I never used AliExpress.com, but I heard, you know, you can get your products from there. Alibaba.com, I use that. I still use that. So, what's next? You need somewhere to print off your thank you cards or whatever. You can go to your local Staples. You can go to vistaprint.com. You need some stickers, go to Sticker Move. Like, what is it? What's stopping you? Go. Start the business. You need to take a class, go take one. A lot of these people now use Zazzle, all on where you make payments. Like, what's your excuse? You shouldn't have no excuse. Save your money up. Start writing down a budget. Start affirming the things that you want. It's already yours. You just gotta believe it, and that's not cliche. You really do. As long as you can believe it, it's yours. I promise you. I promise you. And stay consistent with your work. When you stay consistent and you believe, you got the secret formula right there. Only thing that's stopping you again is you. So, I mean, I hope y'all could take this message and, apply with it, or, let it fly. But, like I said, the only person that's stopping you is you. So, I'm about to label these stuff, get these orders out. Yeah, and this is another example. Like, I'm here literally grinding by myself every day. I don't let nothing stop me. My kids in school, you think I'm going to go in the house, go to sleep, sit around, watch Power, watch whatever the case may be. No, I'm not. I'm going to get in here and do these orders. That's what I'm going to do. So, yeah. I hope this helps somebody get motivated, because whatever you want is yours. Matter of fact, what's today? Today is, I know it's Wednesday. I think it's January 19th. Take out a piece of paper and write my dream life. Write the day's date. And just keep writing on each line. Just write everything. Don't say I want. Write it in the present tense as if you already had it. For instance, if you want an 850 credit score, right? I have an 850 credit score. You want a new Range Rover truck, right? I have a new Range Rover truck. You want to go into details? I have a white Range Rover truck with red gutted seats or something. Like, be specific and really mean it, and then visualize each of those desires that you want every day. Every day. And hopefully in your subconscious mind, when you read, mind you, I don't want to get into deep with y'all, but the subconscious mind don't know what's real from fake. We have our conscious mind, then we have our subconscious mind. So you read those things out every day, visualizing every day. Your subconscious mind don't know if that's real or fake. So it's going to align with you to get those desires. Whether it's you're going to get ideas in your head to start a business, you're going to get ideas in your head to do something to get you that income so that you can align with those desires. Whether it's putting you in a certain room with a certain person who can help you get those desires. Like, y'all gotta learn how life works. It's not that hard, but you gotta go through some things to get to the stage where I'm at. I ain't gonna hold you. But yeah, so that's it for this video. Comment below some more videos that y'all want me to do. Something just told me, somebody need to hear this, somebody. So I'm at 15 minutes already. I ain't planning on it being this long, but yeah. Also, I do strategy calls. If you need, some type of strategy, to get your business going, like, come on. And matter of fact, my strategy calls are $99. But if you're watching this video, I'll do it for you for $50. So just DM me. It's a website. My website, of course, say $99. But if you want it for the $50 offer, just DM me. And you can send me like a Zelle, or I'll invoice you or something for the $50. So yeah, what's your excuse? There's none. None at all. Bye.